Nature is a cruel place where animals must constantly fight for survival. Most of the time, animals in the wild know exactly who they can win a fight against and what kind of animal they should avoid at all costs. Sometimes, however, animals do get a little too confident and mess with the wrong opponent. Watch this video till the end and you'll be shocked. The silverback gorilla is one of the strongest animals on the planet. So when these massive and aggressive gorillas started raging at the zoo, these people were very thankful that the bulletproof glass was there to keep them safe. This curious dog learned its lesson the hard way after attacking an electric eel, only to get violently zapped. An overly confident tiger quickly regrets trying to sneak up on a sloth bear when it stands up to demonstrate its dominance. Protecting and caring for your family is not only important for us humans, it's a rule that applies to many animals on this planet. So when these baboons saw one of their family members being attacked by a huge crocodile, they all jumped in to beat up the predator and save their friend who was in desperate need of help.
Can we drive now? No?
This curious dog just wanted to mess around with a kangaroo, but almost gets drowned in the process. Some cats seem to be completely fearless and are never intimidated by larger creatures, just like this cat chasing away a bear. There is a huge difference in size between a cow and a goat, so when these animals charge towards one another after a long standoff, you will certainly be surprised by the one left standing. When this lonely hyena stumbled upon a pack of 20 wild dogs, she immediately felt threatened and called for backup. In order for her call to travel as far as possible, she lowered her head to the ground before howling, making the sound carry further. When the backup finally arrived, the wild dogs knew they wouldn't stand a chance and quickly ran off. Two hungry lions decided to team up to prey on a buffalo, but didn't realize the buffalo has friends too. When this buffalo saw a lion sneaking around in the bushes and preparing to attack, it decided to take the first move and strike first. This hyena learns the hard way what happens if you steal food from lions, as this male lion shows who's boss. This lion was cornered by hyenas and desperately called for help while fighting for her life.